Okay, what I actually wanted to do was like princess spins. Do you know what I mean? Like,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, we'll just do that a bunch of times. Yeah, you guys can look at each other and smile. Yeah, spins, cute. Yep. Spin her around. That's so cute. Okay, we're gonna do like a dramatic dip kiss, but you're gonna like pull your leg up and like you're gonna grab her leg and like you guys know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's cute. Yeah. Maybe put your hand like on his face. You don't have to dip that far. Keep your face as close. Yeah. Okay, go for it. Yeah, perfect. Get your faces like nice and close. Yeah. Cute. Good. We're gonna do it again. Just kiss her like up and down the face, just like attack her. Perfect. Yes, attack her. Cute. Perfect.